Hi guys, welcome again. This is here I'm showing you how this p10 board is working. Not only I'm showing you working of this p10 boards, but I'm not going to use any library in this project. And in very simple programming, by very simple programming, I will show you how to scroll a text on this p10 board. This p10 board is based on the shift register 74SC595. Along with the shift register 74SC595. There are other ICs used in this P10 module. Those are 74SC 138 and 74SC 245. So actually this 245 is 8-bit buffer IC and this 138 is 3 to 8 line decoder. Let's see the programming part. Here we are using Arduino IDE and our microcontroller is or our development board is Arduino Uno. So we are initializing our program with the pins for our p10 module. So output enable pin of this p10 module is connected to the pin number 9 of Arduino Uno, and so on we are connected all the other pins respectively. So there are the A and B which are connected to the 6 and 7 number pin of the Arduino Uno are row selector. With the help of this pin we are selecting the rows. Clock pin is connected to the pin number 13, latch pin is connected to the pin number 8, and data pin is connected to the pin number 11. So you can see this thing. This is the P10 module pin connections. So one number pin is enable and the other 3 to 15 number pins are ground. 2, 4 number are A and B, row selection pin. 6 number is not connected. 14 and 16 numbers also not connected. So only 8 number for the clock, 10 number the register clock or serial clock we can say it, and 12 number pin is data. So that connected to the 11 number pin. 10 number is connected, I think 8 number. That output enable 1 number pin is connected to the 9 number. We will see that in a minute. All the programming is very simple. Now we are making these all pin, we are making output. So in pin mode we are deciding the output into the void setup. Shift register logic apply over here is inverse type. So when we are sending the byte hex ff, actually we are sending the 0 on this p10 module. So I have to keep in mind this thing and accordingly program it. Into the rows, I have used very simple logic. Initially, I selected the particular rows, that is 4 rows of upper side. It means 1, 5, 9, and 13, and so on. So for that 1, 4, 9, 13, we have to make our this row select pins, that is A and B, both the pins low. it means 0 0, so that we activate the only 4 rows on the p10 module at a given time, and then applying the 3 millisecond delay, we further activate remaining 4 rows or other 4 rows, and then other 4 rows, like we activate 16, all the 16 rows with the time interval of 3 milliseconds. I have used over here a shift out function of Arduino. You can see that that is the inbuilt function of Arduino. With the help of these functions, we can send 8 bits at a time, that is a single byte at a time, on the p10 module's rows. Most important thing is that FF we are sending onto this p10 board is to clear that particular byte. So this must be remembered while programming this p10 module. This program and further detailed programming for the scrolling on the p10 board is nothing to do with the DMD library, which is traditional use of this p10 board into the Arduino. So it is very independent of the DMD library. This is the program to print only a single character, that is in this case is a P, onto the p10 board. That's it. Delay of 3 milliseconds is just for giving the multiplexing effect, and we can able to see the character, full character, onto the screen or on this p10 board. Single letter design, letter P, 4 row for each selection. This is showing upper 8 bytes for letter P. 1 5 is the first selection, and so on. Okay. This is a very crude programming right now we have done with. Thanks for your time.